Did you know your brain is the most energy-consuming organ in your body, yet we often take its health for granted? Dr. Howard Tucker, one of the most experienced neurologists of our time, has spent decades studying the brain. Today, we'll share 10 practical, science-backed strategies to keep your brain sharp, focused, and resilient. Tips you can start applying right now. Sleep is the foundation of brain health. Dr. Tucker emphasizes that 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep allows your brain to consolidate memories, repair neural connections, and flush out toxins. Create a consistent sleep schedule, limit screen time before bed, and keep your bedroom cool and dark. Your brain will thank you. A well-exercised brain stays sharp. Engage in puzzles, learn a new language, play strategy games, or practice mental arithmetic. Dr. Tucker notes that dedicating just 15 to 20 minutes a day to cognitive challenges significantly improves memory, focus, and mental agility. Physical activity isn't just for your body, it's crucial for your brain too. Cardiovascular exercise increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients that enhance cognitive performance. Dr. Tucker's patients who maintained regular walks, jogging, or yoga demonstrated better attention spans and mental resilience. Nutrition fuels your brain. Include leafy greens, berries, fatty fish rich in omega-3s, and nuts. Limit sugar and processed foods, which can impair memory and cognitive function. A consistent brain-healthy diet supports long-term mental clarity and performance. Humans are social creatures, and meaningful interactions stimulate the brain. Dr. Tucker observed that individuals who regularly engage with friends and family show stronger cognitive resilience and lower stress levels. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily mindfulness or meditation reduces stress, improves focus, and enhances emotional regulation. Dr. Tucker stresses that regular practice strengthens the prefrontal cortex, improving decision-making and mental clarity. Your brain is about 75% water. Dehydration can impair concentration, memory, and cognitive performance. Dr. Tucker recommends drinking at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily to maintain optimal brain function. Lifelong learning keeps the brain adaptive and resilient. Reading, exploring new skills, or learning a musical instrument stimulates neural pathways. Dr. Tucker himself has practiced continuous learning throughout his life, emphasizing curiosity as a key to brain longevity. Chronic stress releases hormones that can damage neurons and impair memory. Incorporate relaxation breaks, hobbies, or outdoor time. Even short periods of relaxation improve cognitive function and emotional well-being, according to Dr. Tucker. A positive mindset enhances cognitive flexibility and brain health. Optimism, gratitude, and a sense of purpose act like mental exercises, keeping the brain vibrant and engaged. Dr. Tucker consistently emphasizes that emotional well-being is as important for your brain as physical exercise. These 10 strategies, drawn from decades of Dr. Howard Tucker's experience, are simple, practical, and accessible to everyone. By prioritizing sleep, exercising your body and mind, nourishing your brain, managing stress, and cultivating meaningful connections, you can enhance your memory, focus, and overall cognitive health. Start small, implement 1 or 2 habits today, and gradually build a lifestyle that supports your brain for years to come. If you want more expert-backed tips for mental clarity and brain health, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Your brain will thank you.